Welcome to the vlog. I'm so not. Welcome to the vlog. We're doing something pretty stupid because it's like 6 p.m. And yeah, it's race car, which is also stupid to do your normal daily driver, which is Ben's car. Today we are welding his diff. Well, tonight, because it's 6 p.m. Step 1, gonna be putting it on the lift. Bro, you don't know where it's going. Step 2, drop his diff out. And then step 3, weld the diff and put it back in. And then last step, do donuts. Let's do it. This is gonna be so fun at 6 p.m. We're gonna work through the night. Okay, apparently the Z4 diff is really easy to take out.
It's my first time doing a Z4 diff. Remove this stuff in the way. This.
How's this in the way?
We're learning. Prop off TVs.
I'm no help in these situations, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and help. Well, I'm just gonna keep eating snacks.
Yeah, should go pretty quick. Sexy, dirty hand. I'm putting these.
Color work, only finish.
That's like
Finger it harder.
deeper. It's not even a little bit tight.
This is fun. Snacking on ice cream. That's balls. You said they strip easily.
Off brakes.
Okay. On brakes.
Brake. On brake. Hey, where's music? Brakes.
Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type
On
of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand. The type of skits I'm on, you wouldn't understand. Big dog business, I would not hold your hand.
Bam. Just do me a favor and show me how many car parts you've ripped out of your interior while sitting there.
Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
He gets bored easily. Go and leave him alone. Especially in his car. He's just ripping loads of his car parts out. I think if we just leave him there, have a completely stripped interior. Let me sorry, see if I can catch it.
Throw me something. Wait! Get it off!
Dude, that was so good. Soulmates. Guys listening to fucking Nickelback while he works on cars. Can I push the button?
No!
I just want him to push it. You guys have got this.
You can probably see my balls.
It's gonna come out. It's a bottle. I'm just standing out.
I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. Stuff out.
I'm holding it by the input shot so it's going to rotate.
Damn, got glasses. You said didn't take a lot of work.
It's not a lot.
Just rip it off the side. So you got to weld literally between those two things.
Put a little plate in.
Could do it the ghetto way and not put the place in.
So why do you specifically need the MIG welder?
For penetration. To penetrate, yeah, like enough heat.
You need heat to penetrate.
Yeah.
Dan just giving the duff all clean, right?
Yeah. Yeah, welding doesn't like the foil.
I'm bad at helping.
You want a hug?
No, fuck I don't.
So he's gonna drop it on the side.
Do it!
Fuck up the Z3!
That's nice of you. Duff is rinsed out. Really helps to have friends who firstly know what they're doing. Secondly, just have everything you need. Except welding machine. We are welding a diff out the welding machine on the premises. So once the diff is out, we're putting it in the back of this bakkie and then driving 60 k's away
It's in my house.
to go weld the diff. And then driving back to put it in the car. And then we are probably going to do things that involve circles
Just maybe one of mine.
and some Krispy Kreme. Bring that diff into this car. It's 9:24 p.m. It's time to weld the diff.
It's not going back now.
There's no going back now, bro.
Before I burn my hands.
Okay, diff is on its way to the car. We're gonna go try and put it back in after we release the diff from its casing because
Basically, we welded the against the casing. Don't do this shit at home.
again, after some very responsible driving home, I've made it back to the garage to go put that diff in, so we can hopefully end this night off successfully. I hope. I really fucking hope. And that's it with the diff on the table. We will be calling it there. Our master mechanic may have welded a bit too much. So we need to hunt for a new diff. New open diff for your car, right? It will be getting a welded diff, just not tonight. So part 2, I guess, where everything happens, small steps in the right direction. This car will be drifting soon.
Broke bitch business, I cannot be your man. Never got his ass whooped until we open up that can. Damn, alley hoop me bands, I'm a slam.